Welcome LCB everybody. As you can see, we have a Connex Saturn CX-33 base station. We're ready to do a tune-up report. This is for Joe in Texas. This is what we got, Joe. Over here on the watt meter, see, we're looking at 10 watts. 0 to 10. Power all the way up. You're a little over there with almost 9 watts. All the way down about 1.5 watts. I think that's going to be just right to run what you got there, that 1.5 watts. So that's where you're going to run it with that box you got all the way down right there. Alright. Let's go back up and see what our peak power is. 50 watt scale.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2.
Okay. And side band. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. Okay.
Something's going on right past Boulevard Champions on 441. I want to know what's going on. We got the fire trucks, about 3 or 4 policemen. I had a heart attack. Really? What do you get off the commercial? On Southgate now. 10-4, so you're going the other way. I'm going south, you're going north. Yeah, right. It doesn't look like anything. And I'm sitting quietly. Well, I am, Robert. Oh, Bobby, how are you? I'm doing good, you're an old man. Oh, not that old. I'm much older than you are. How are you doing? I'm doing fine. I had my physical training here today, and he says in 2 weeks I've really come a long way. That's great. I'm glad to hear that. Hopefully within a week or so I'll be able to walk without the walker. Yeah, then I can come over and walk with you. There we go. I got an extra walker if you want to walk with me. Yeah, before. Good afternoon, Andromeda. Hello there, Goldbug. Right back at you, sir. How you doing? I heard you from the other room. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Just on my way home from work. I'm gonna go over to see the grandkids and my daughter.
Go, bud.
Go ahead.
Back that mic down a bit. You got a little squawk trying to happen. Are you bleeding on something in there?
I hear my echo a little bit through the speakers. How's that, better?
I still hear it.
Sam's burning.
Hello, floppy ears. Hello, Andromeda. Screwdriver. Screwdriver at the work 20 on a Connex Saturn. Roger.
Dear Lord. How about that, driver? I put it down to 3.
Now you're still squawking, man. Where's your drive?
You think it's the mic?
Can you turn your power down a little?
Nothing wrong with it.
Shut the hell up.
I just turned down the RX power. About a quarter. Sounds okay here. Drag one open. You need to blow it up again real quick. I didn't blow it up. It's just a wire.
Alright, I got you on YouTube. You can hear how bad you sounded and it got a little better. But you go ahead and put it back there again tomorrow.
Don't worry, you will.
I know it. What the hell is his name again? That one driving around making his comments. God damn, I can't. He only gets in there once a year now. I can't remember his handle.
Hey, driver. I'll drive by one day
Sounds like you moved it already.
I did not. I didn't touch anything. You think it's a switch in the microphone? You said it might go.
No, it's fine.
All right, 10-4. Thank you. Thank you. I think he's trying to drum up business.
That guy, what's his handle again?
I can't remember his name. It's so common.
Some people don't have to drum it up. You let them run their shit wide open until they tear it at me. I'll have to go see him anyway. That's right.
G-Man,
Yeah.
shut the hell up.